Hi CMH friends, I'm Ramona Williams here at Children's Museum Houston. Thank you so much for joining me today. So we're going to wrap up our series on sensory play activities, and today is a big one. We have sand slime. I know we've made slime before, but now we have an opportunity to add a little bit more sensory stimulation in there by adding sand, which can be a little bit grainy. And we're going to add some green food coloring to make it kind of Halloweenish and a fun time for your little one. So the materials we need for our sand slime are sand, a measuring cup, this is 3/4 cup, some type of container to mix everything in. This is a measuring cup for our shaving cream. You need shaving cream as well as glue. This is regular school glue in a 1 cup, and you need some liquid starch. First thing, we're going to take our glue and pour it into the container. Easy peasy. And next, I'm using this measuring spoon, but you can actually use a regular spoon. Next, we're going to take our shaving cream, and we're doing 1 cup of shaving cream or more. That's a little bit more than 1 cup, but I think we'll be okay. And you're going to also pour it inside with the glue. Yeah, get that in there. And the next thing I want us to do is to stir. You're gonna stir, stir, stir. Stir it up. You want to make sure it's mixed really well. Now I'm gonna measure out 3/4 cup of sand and put it inside of my mix. And we're gonna mix it up, stir it, stir it, stir it. And I think I want to use this opportunity to add my food coloring. Oh, here we have some green. And the final thing we need to do is put some liquid starch in. So this is our liquid starch. I'm gonna use the same measuring cup. It may look a little off, but it's no big deal. We're doing a 1/2 cup, roughly, of liquid starch. And here's where our slime starts to get activated. And the trick is to stir until it starts to come away from the edges. And you see we have nice, thick slime that is great for sensory because not only is it sticky, but it is also gritty. Now in a second here, you see it starting to come away from the edges. In a second here, I'm going to take my hands and put it in the slime just to mix it up a little bit more. Here goes nothing. Look at that. Nice slime. We're getting it mixed up really well. Isn't that so cool? And I really like the way this feels. And you can feel the sand in there too. It's nice and gritty. Now, if you want to add more sand, you can make it as gritty as you like. And we just keep going and we mix till we have slime. Okay, CMH friends, that is all the time I have for today. I hope you enjoyed today's activity, and I look forward to seeing you here at Children's Museum Houston. I'm Ramona Williams. Make it a great day.